Movement is the source of progress. We were always looking for progress, not speed. Our journey of 1,000 miles began with a single step, and the most important thing now is to not stop. Hello everyone, we are happy to showcase the changes we've made for Update 09, a new milestone for the X-Ray multiplayer extension. The biggest addition was adding Steam integration to the project. This allows players to connect together without using local network emulators and port forwarding. How to play through Steam? Go to your launcher settings, tick Use Steam for in-game connection, and launch your server. After that, players from your friends list will be able to join using invites or the Join Game button. For this update, we've reworked a significant number of character animations. Using items such as bandages and energy drinks now has a correct third-person animation that matches its first-person counterpart. We've also updated weapon animations. Every weapon with an underbarrel grenade launcher now has proper animations for every state. We've added new weapons to the game. Protecta, a 12-gauge shotgun with a revolving cylinder, and a single-charge RGM-40 Castet grenade launcher, both from the Gunslinger mod. Previously added AKM has been added to every map where it was needed. We didn't forget about upgrades too. Almost every weapon upgrade from the Gunslinger mod has been implemented. Besides Gunslinger mod weapons, we've developed a brand new weapon type, a PMN-2 landmine. You can use it against swarms of mutants, or even against some quirky stalkers. A more interesting piece of weaponry is a fully reworked stationary machine gun from the original game, which had a whole range of animations and sounds created for all of its states. The stationary machine gun works in a similar way to most other shooter games. The gun quickly warms up and overheats after firing for a long period of time. To avoid overheating, you will need to fire in short bursts. This weapon will be introduced in the defense mode. Speaking of defense, we've added new maps as part of this mode. Pripyat 1 Underpass is not only one of the most dangerous places in the zone, but it also hides lots of mysteries and interesting phenomena. Make sure to keep an eye out around the map in between waves of coming mutants to make your gameplay more entertaining and engaging. Former tactical training ground of Freedom, which just like many other places in the zone has been overrun by mutants. But this time there are hostile stalkers too. Be careful, because you'll never know from which bush your last bullet will be fired from. The Sawmill is a dangerous place in the northwest part of Zaton, which is familiar to many stalkers, but maybe it's not so familiar anymore, so pay attention and watch your back. We also continued work on the user interface. We've updated player pings to display enemy types and item types that were pinged by players. We've also redesigned the map tab of the PDA. While working on it, we tried to base it on the visual style set by Shadow of Chernobyl while modernizing it and making it easier to use. We've added Brazilian Portuguese localization for the main game and every official add-on. Besides that, we've also added an option to select English or Ukrainian voiceover from the original Call of Pripyat, regardless of what text language you selected. Add-on makers can also implement multiple voiceover languages into their add-ons. This was far from everything we've added or fixed in Update 09 for the X-Ray multiplayer extension. We fixed many bugs, improved networking speeds, and significantly reduced loading times. You can find out more by playing the update yourself. You can support our project financially with Boosty and Patreon, which will help develop it further and make it even better. Follow us on social media and see you soon.